Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Sleep is a fundamental and essential part of human life. It is a state of rest that is characterized by reduced activity in the central nervous system, as well as a decrease in body temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. Although we spend about 1/3 of our lives asleep, scientists are still not entirely sure why we sleep. There are several theories about why we sleep, but the most widely accepted theory is that sleep is necessary for the consolidation of memories and the repair and restoration of the body. During sleep, the brain is more active in certain regions, including the hippocampus, which is involved in learning and memory consolidation. It is thought that during sleep, the brain processes and consolidates new information and experiences from the day into long-term memories. Sleep is also important for physical health. During sleep, the body works to repair and regenerate tissues, build and strengthen bones, and boost the immune system. Adequate sleep is necessary for the proper functioning of the immune system, and chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of developing various health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. In addition to its role in memory consolidation and physical health, sleep is also thought to play a role in emotional regulation. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, moodiness, and difficulty regulating emotions, while adequate sleep can help improve mood and overall emotional well-being. Some theories suggest that sleep may serve an evolutionary purpose, such as helping animals avoid predators or conserving energy during periods of inactivity. However, the specific function of sleep in humans is still not fully understood. Overall, sleep is a vital part of human life, and it is necessary for both physical and mental health. While scientists are still working to fully understand why we sleep, it is clear that sleep is an essential part of maintaining overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.